Right, so let's first talk about pricing. I always like to talk about this first because if you're not expecting to pay, then let's see what you're going to get for free versus what you're not. So, pricing, there's 3 tiers. There's a free version, there's a $15 a month version, a $25, and a $50. So the free sign up, you're going to get a client self-scheduling, an offer unlimited service of appointments. So you can basically set up your appointments. You're not going to get a lot of features though, like you do on the 15. Display your logo, customize your company colors, edit all apps. And in the 15 version, you get all these features. So you can start integrating with other platforms. You can integrate with things like Zoom. So if you do Zoom coaching over video coaching, it'll automatically create a Zoom meeting for you and send that in an email to the customer. So here, look, go to join Zoom. When you get to, there was another, let me jump here because this one's probably a better version here. Let's go to here. Oh no, let's not go there. Let's go here. Look, this is a little bit better feature. Shows the features, right? So in the free version, we know it's basic appointments and scheduling. But when you go to the 15, you get all these features. Embed your schedule in your website. So you got a web page, you can put your schedule on there, and people don't need to leave your web page to book appointments. Automatic reminders, sync in with Outlook, sync with iCloud, sync with Google. As we said, integrate with GoToMeeting, QuickBooks. All these integrations come on the paid version. Accept payments and deposits through PayPal. So you know, on the free version you can't accept payments. On the $15 version and up, you can start to get people to pay you direct. You can also get people to pay 50% of the appointment and then the 50% afterwards and things like that. Vault credit cards for charging clients later. So it's always good to have people on file and say, well, we'll do a call and I'll charge your card, or I'll do something for you, appointment, and I'll just bill you for it, right? Offer coupons and vouchers for discounts, which is cool. And then the classes, workshops, group events, so you can obviously do an event where 100 people are allowed to come. So there's 100 spaces. When the spaces have gone, they're not allowed in. Easy upsell. So if you've got things to, after someone's done an appointment, you can say, here's something else you might like. Do you want to add that to your sale? And some advanced reporting and stuff like that. So the difference between the pricing as you go up is really the amount of calendars. You only get one calendar on the $15 version. When you get to the 25, you're going to go to 6 calendars. Your customers are going to get texts. You're going to be able to offer recurring subscriptions and memberships. And you're going to be offer appointment packages. So you can do 6 things and then ask people if they want to buy it for somebody else, they can. And then if you go up to the $50 version, you're looking at 36 calendars, staff and locations. So 36 people in your organization. You're going to remove the powered by, and then you can start customizing the look and feel and whatever this high HIPAA compliance is, it applies with that. So that's the pricing. I'm going to show you the $15. We may talk about this one, but we're going to show you the cheapest end of it at the moment in this video.